Iraq, where a death sentence has been issued against the widow of the late ISIS leader Abu Bakr Al-Baghdadi. She seems to be a part of the ISIS, and also she detained the Yazidi woman in her house. Take a look.
On Wednesday, Baghdad's Supreme Court sentenced the widow of a late Islamic State leader to death. The court said she was complicit in the crimes of ISIS by siding with them. The court did not name the woman while accusing her of collaborating with ISIS. It said she used her home in Mosul to hold kidnapped Yazidi women taken captive by ISIS fighters in Sinjar in northern Iraq. The AFP news agency has identified the woman as Asma Muhammad, the wife of al-Baghdadi, the ISIS leader killed by the United States Special Forces in 2019. Al-Baghdadi was known to have 4 wives. A week after his death in 2019, Turkey said it detained one of his wives and other family members. Rising from obscurity, Abu Bakr Al-Baghdadi had led the ultra-hardline ISIS group and declared himself Caliph of all Muslims. From the year 2014 to 2017, the Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant movement held vast sway over areas of Iraq and Syria, before US-led attacks disintegrated its control. In this reign of ISIS cruelty, the most affected were the Yazidis in Iraq and Syria. The Islamic State groups considered the Yazidi community infidels. When ISIS attacked the Sinjar district in Iraq in 2014, over 100,000 people fled and took refuge in Mount Sinjar. Thousands of the Yazidi men were executed. Many were forced to convert. The ISIS forced the Yazidi women into sexual slavery. A UN Commission report says the women and girls were handed out to ISIS fighters at pre-arranged locations in Iraq. As a form of resistance, the Yazidi women and girls scratched and bloodied themselves in an attempt to deface themselves and appear unattractive to potential buyers. According to the Refugees International and Voice of Yazidis, the minority group is struggling to recover from the trauma. 200,000 Yazidis are still displaced from their homes, and many are yet to get compensation of any sort.